This video shows how to buy shares of Millerknoll Inc. and explains the practical steps. Millerknoll is a global design and furniture company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MLKN. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy stock. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MLKN to find the listing. Make sure you select the correct Millerknoll entry from the search results on NASDAQ. On the Millerknoll stock page, you will see a brief company profile and a price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To buy, click Invest and choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your Millerknoll position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes. For the example link and more details, see the description below.